In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create task templates in Asana. Whether you are new to Asana or an experienced user looking to streamline your workflow, task templates can significantly enhance your productivity by ensuring that repetitive tasks are structured and consistent. Stick around and we'll guide you through the simple steps to set this up. First, let's start by heading over to the Asana website at www.asana.com. If you already have an account, go ahead and click on Login to access your dashboard. If you haven't created an account yet, click on Get Started or Try for Free to begin this process. Once you're in, you'll see your dashboard, which is your command center in Asana. One way to create task templates is directly from a project. Start by opening the project where you'd like to implement a new template. Look to the upper right corner of your project interface and you'll see the Customize tab. Click on that, then within the menu under Customize, you'll find the Task Templates option. Select this to get started with creating a new template. At this point, you'll see an option to add task template. Click on it and now you can begin the customization. Here, you'll input all necessary information for your template, name it, add detailed descriptions, assign any subtasks, set assignees, establish due dates, and attach any pertinent files or information. Once you have meticulously filled in all the details to suit your project's needs, go ahead and finalize by clicking Create Template. Asana also provides another convenient method to create task templates by converting an existing task. To do this, find the task that you want to transform into a template. Click on the task to open its detailed view. If there are any adjustments needed, such as changing the task description, assignee, or due dates, you can modify those details now. When you're ready to convert the task, look for the three dots at the top right corner of the task. Clicking on these will open a menu, and here you need to select Convert To. You'll then choose Task Template from the options available, allowing for the task to be automatically converted into a reusable template. And there you have it, your new task template is ready to be used whenever you need to replicate these tasks in the future. Creating task templates in Asana is a straightforward process that can help you save time and maintain consistency across your projects. We hope this guide has made the steps clear and easy to follow. Try it out and streamline your tasks further with the power of Asana templates.